How to track leads and clients with Zoho CRM. In this 2025 step-by-step guide, I will show you how to manage your sales pipeline, so make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Open your Zoho CRM on your desktop or mobile and sign into your account. Step 2. Go to the lead sections and then press or click create lead and enter your details like the name, company, and the contact info of your lead. And then step 3, once a lead shows potential, you can click these three dots and then click convert. And this turns them into a contact and links them to an account or a deal. And then step 4, you can use the pipeline view to track each client stage from initial contact to closing the deal. Step 5, enable your notifications for follow-ups and you can use Zoho reports to see sales performance in real time. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.